This here is the new Galaxy Note 9 and I've been using it for a couple of days now. And while I was aware of its features, seeing them in action has been truly impressive. So it's time you see them in action too. Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and today I'm going to show you 5 really exciting Galaxy Note 9 features in action. It's going to be a lot of fun, but before we begin, like always, I'd suggest you to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Also, this video has been brought to you by Minimal Cases, which brings some great minimal cases with no branding at all for the Note 9 and various other phones. I'll talk more about Minimal Cases at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now, let's get started. So this here is the new S Pen, which now comes in this new quirky yellow, gold and blue design, and to be honest, it looks super cool. But it's not just the color which has changed. Now I can just do this on the S Pen to open up the camera. It's so cool. And I can do this to scroll in a web page in Chrome. Or I can show people the photos in the gallery like this. Heck, I can even unlock the Galaxy Note 9 with my S Pen. You get my point, right? Yes, the new S Pen features Bluetooth and you can now use it as a remote. And almost everything here is customizable, so I can set any app to launch when I hold the S Pen button. I can even set custom actions for single and double press in apps like camera, gallery, etc. There aren't a lot of apps supported right now, but it should get better. Well, you guys must be wondering if this thing has a battery, right? Well, the S Pen here has a super capacitor that powers its Bluetooth technology. Let's just call it a battery. Needless to say, this is the first S Pen to pack in a battery, so that's pretty amazing. Similar to what Samsung says, in my uses the S Pen lasted 30 minutes when kept removed from the phone. But there's nothing to worry about really, because you just need to keep the S Pen inside the phone for 40 seconds to fully charge it. And even if it's discharged, you can still use it as your good old S Pen. You can still take notes with it, doodle screenshots, or just get creative. It's really cool. So Samsung launched the DeX with the Galaxy S8, and while it was amazing, you need to buy the DeX dock separately, you need to attach a keyboard and a mouse. It was just too much work, and the Galaxy Note 9 solves that problem. Now you don't need a dock, you don't need a keyboard or even a mouse. All you need is a USB-C to HDMI dongle and an HDMI cable to connect the Note 9 to your TV or monitor, and you're good to go. It's the same DeX experience, but now you can use the Note 9 as a trackpad and a keyboard. Yeah, that's super cool. You can even use the S Pen to draw and write stuff in DeX mode. So basically, once you set things up, you get the PC-like interface, as you can see, where you get all the apps installed on the Note 9. And the great thing is, almost all of the apps work in this mode. So you can use the PC-like experience to browse the web on Chrome, watch some videos on YouTube, or even play games. Sure, some apps don't go full screen, but the experience here is pretty nice. I mean, you can launch multiple apps in multiple windows, as I said, play games, and even check your phone's notifications. To be honest, the DeX mode won't be useful for everyone, but for people who like viewing documents or playing games on a bigger display, the new DeX mode should be super handy. The Galaxy Note 9 comes with stereo speakers, which is something that the Galaxy Note 8 lacked. I mean, stereo speakers are something that we expect from flagship phones, and the Note 9 delivers that. There's AKG tuned stereo speakers here, just like the S9 and S9 Plus, and compared to the Note 8, the speakers on the Note 9 are slightly louder, way clearer, and have more depth. Just listen to this. That was pretty cool, right? There's also Dolby Atmos support with 4 different presets, an equalizer and an adapt sound feature that lets you create your very own sound profile for a great sound experience. So yes, the speakers on the Note 9 are definitely a great feature. Plus it comes with the same old but nice AKG earphones in the box, so that's great. The Galaxy S9 also gets a number of new camera features, most of which are borrowed from the S9 Plus. Firstly, it gets the dual aperture camera system. There's the dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel primary camera sensor packing in dual apertures of f1.5 and f2.4, which means brighter low light photos and sharper daytime photos. We took some photos and things definitely look great, as you can see. Samsung has also improved the live focus mode in low light, and while we are yet to test things out extensively, things do look good, even though I am a little apprehensive considering portrait mode tends to go off in low light. Then there's the super slow-mo video capability, but it works just like the S9. So you get 720p videos at 960 fps, but yes, you can only record 0.4 seconds of super slow-mo, and it's still very annoying to use. Apart from that, there's the new scene optimizer feature, which is basically Samsung's version of AI scene detection. And there's a flaw detection feature which detects eye blinks, motion blur, a smudge in the camera lens, and more when you're taking a photo and notifies you about the same. Yeah, it's pretty handy. The Note 9's cameras are a big upgrade over the Note 8's cameras, but we're still testing it out, so we'll talk more about it in a full review. The Note 9 might have the same Exynos 9820 or the Snapdragon 845 like the S9 Plus, but it comes with a new water carbon cooling system that's supposed to diffuse heat for efficient cooling. Anyway, this is how the system looks like on the Note 9. So this is new and I obviously checked it out. I handed over the S9 Plus and the Note 9 to two of the best Fortnite players in our office. Just kidding, they are nowhere near the best. To see if the Note 9's new cooling system makes a difference. So these guys played Fortnite for half an hour, after which the temperature on the S9 Plus was around 40 degrees, as you can see, which is not overheating but definitely warm. The Note 9 too, as you can see, is at around 40 degrees. So yeah, it's the same. I mean, to be honest, 30 minutes isn't a lot of time, and maybe the cooling system will have an impact when you're playing games for longer hours. So yes, it's a little early to judge, but we'll do a more extensive test on the phone in the coming days, so we'll get a better idea. Well, those were some of the new Galaxy Note 9 features that are really amazing, but obviously there's a lot more to the Galaxy Note 9. There's the bigger 4000 mAh battery, the massive storage option, a bigger display, the IP68 rating, wireless charging, and a lot more. Well, I'm using the Galaxy Note 9 as my daily driver now, so we will be bringing you our full review soon. So if you're wondering if you should buy the Galaxy Note 9, I'll suggest you to wait for our full review. However, if you have made up your mind to buy the Note 9, you should get a nice case for the phone, and this is where minimal cases come in. The Note 9 minimal cases, like all other minimal cases, have no branding whatsoever, which make up for a really nice minimal look. They're also pretty sleek, which means they don't really add up any bulk to the phone. Plus, I really like the grip offered by these cases, which is important since Note 9 is a slippery phone. Well, minimal cases are available for a lot of other phones out there and they ship worldwide. Plus, you can get a 20% discount by using this code. So check out minimal cases from the link in the description down below. Well, the Galaxy Note 9 here looks like a very noteworthy flagship thanks to its really cool features. But which Galaxy Note 9 feature is your favorite? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more, you guessed it, amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.